if you think making 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira in a day can add something to your life, this is the easiest business you should try. You have a lot of friends online. Everybody around you need to use data just the same way we eat food. A lot of you don't know you're actually celebrities, because among the WhatsApp groups you belong, among the Facebook groups you belong, a lot of people want to buy data. So why don't you use this opportunity to make extra 5 to 10,000 naira daily? So if you're interested in this business, this is how you do the business from beginning to end. This platform zakicom.com offer ridiculous cheapest price when it comes to data for resellers like you that need to do the business. All you gotta do is to click on this registration button, you fill up the information, you click on agree, and you sign up, and you have been signed up successfully. You can go back and you can now come and log in. So immediately you finish signing up, you can now come and click the login button and you log in. So once you log in for the first time, you need to fund your wallet, okay, so that you start buying data for your own self and also for reselling, okay. So you click on fund wallet, and you have four available options, and you can do back transfer or do the ATM. If you do back transfer, you'll be charged 50 naira to deposit money into your funding account. So immediately you click here, you have two banks for you to deposit here. You have Wema and you have Rolex. So account number, and this is the bank name, and you just copy any of the bank. So if Wema is not available, you can try Rolex, which is the money point. This is the bank name, money point, and this is the account number. You copy the account number, and once you copy the account number just like this, you go to your bank app and you transfer money to this your account. Once you transfer money to your account, you scroll down here, you refresh the page by dragging down. You refresh the page by dragging down. Once you drag down, you come here, you will see your available balance you have on this particular platform. So this is the amount of money you have on this platform. For instance, if you recharge 10,000 naira, you are going to see 10,000 naira here, and the amount of data you'll be buying will be deducted from the balance you have from here. So once you have found your account and the balance have reflected in your wallet, the next thing is to buy airtime or buy data. So let's assume you want to buy data for yourself. You click on buy data, and you click on the network here by clicking on the drop down arrow here. Once you click on drop down arrow, you select the network type. Let's say MTN for instance, and let's say SME. This is the cheapest, but it's not shareable. If you want to share data you want to share with people, you go for gifting. So I'm going for SME, which is the cheapest data, and you put the mobile number. So if you are buying for yourself, this is where you put your own mobile number, and if you are buying for other people, let's say somebody send you money so that you send data to them, you put their phone number here, and right here you select the plan, whether it's 1 gig, which is, you see the price here, 1 gig is 220 naira, and that is why I say this is the cheapest wholesaler website for data that can give you ridiculous cheap price, so that you'll be able to resell at affordable rate. Imagine you add 50 naira on top of this 220 naira, you'll be selling your data at 270. You know, most people are selling data 300 or 350 per 1 gig. Immediately you fill the plan, you will see the amount you'll be charged here, 220 naira, and you can ignore this bypass and just click on buy. You click on yes, and you put your pin. You have already created. For the first time, if you have not created pin, it will ask you to create pin. Guys, that is how to start this business. Imagine you have 100 people that want to buy this data for you in a day. Or remember that people like us that are content creator online, we buy up to 50 gig just from one person offer in a at one buy. So imagine people buying 3 gig, 5 gig from you, and you have like 15 people that you do sell data to. So this business is actually scalable. I will advise that you start manually like this by just designing a flyer and put your data 1 gig for 270 naira and send to the groups you belong, or WhatsApp, on Instagram, and everywhere, and people are going to patronize, including your family member that do use data. Share with them, share with family and friends, because every member of your family and friends do use data online. So it's a business that is very easily scalable to the extent that after taking this business for a long, you can decide to own a website just like this one. Okay, so the best way to actually start is what I just showed you. So happy making money to you. Subscribe and like for our next video.